Remotely retrieve answering machine messages. The main reason for someone to purchase and install an answering machine is to be able to receive and record phone messages at work or at home when no one is there. With the age of mobile technology, the answering machine has become somewhat obsolete since people can actually call you up regardless of where you are. However, it is still good idea to have an answering machine at home or at work in case the people calling you do not know your mobile number. If you are on the go a lot, you will want to be able to access your answering machine messages from anywhere. All you need is a phone and an access code, and you should hear the voices of your callers. Install and configure the answering machine. Upon purchasing your answering machine, make sure to read the instruction manual that comes with it, as it will have a detailed step-by-step guide on how to install, configure, and set your answering machine to be able to accept remote access from you. For most answering machines, you will need to set a 4-digit remote access code on the machine. Again, consult the guide to know how to do this. Most machines will have a preset access code already set up. If you do not want the hassle of changing this, then by all means use it. However, it is more secure if you do. You don't really want your girlfriend being able to check your messages and hearing another girl sending you a flirty and sexy voice recording. Use a touch-tone phone. Answering machines only work with touch-tone phones. If your phone is a vintage rotary dialer phone, then it is high time to get you a more modern phone. Those vintage phones are pretty much dinosaurs in telecommunications. If you have the budget for it, purchase a phone with an integrated answering machine or voice recording feature. Accessing your phone remotely. When you are out, locate a touch-tone phone and dial your number. After a couple of rings, the answering machine will answer with your pre-configured voice message. When you hear this, press the asterisk button on the phone twice to proceed. A beep should sound signaling you to enter the 4-digit access code. Enter it accordingly and you should hear another beep followed by the first message recorded. Each message finishes with a beep before proceeding to the next recording. As it completes playing all the messages, it will end with the 2 beeps. Keep or erase your messages. Any answering machine is configured to keep or delete voice messages with a press of a button. Consult the manual for these buttons. Decide to keep or delete the messages remotely. These steps can be used for analog or digital answering machines. However, The digital machine will have features that will allow you to skip and return to previous messages and delete each of them while it is playing. Read the manual to know how to do these on your answering machine.